I have a big trip coming up in 2 weeks. It's a very important trip to me. It's probably the only one I'll be able to take this year. So preparing for this trip, I'm going to be out for 6 days. So preparing for this trip is a big deal because I don't want to have to come home because I didn't think of something before I went. So today, I'll show you in a minute, I got to fix this generator because 6 days without any power, I won't be able to use my laptop or anything like that. And power in the camper is going to be fine, but I got to keep the batteries topped up too. So let's get at it.
You don't need to be an expert on how to do this. You just need to learn the basics, learn how to check, how to diagnose, how to clean things, how to repair things, and how to maintain things.
And what I think is wrong is the carburetor's all gunked up. And there, and that one can come off.
It goes for everything in your life, everything from generator, your car, your bicycle, or your snowboard or skis. It's all the same stuff. You don't have to be an expert. You just need to learn the basics. And once you learn the basics, it gets a lot easier.
We won't worry about that. We'll just take the cover off. And I can just unplug it. Right? There we go. So, carburetor's off. Can't even see me. Can't even see me. Alright, well, I need some carb cleaner. And I'm going to have to buy a rebuild kit. I was considering just replacing the whole carburetor, but it is in good shape. I just need to get some carb cleaner and order a rebuild kit so I can replace all the seals.
Every skill you learn makes life a little less intimidating. Learning how to check the oil in your car or this generator. It's something you didn't know how to do. You learned how to do it. Now you know how to do it. I didn't know how to do it when I was a kid. I learned how to do it. Your confidence grows when you stop being afraid to try. Just try. That's all you need to do. Try and check the oil. So I'll be honest with you. This particular generator, I've had it for a while. I've never taken the carburetor off. I wasn't sure how to take the carburetor off of this. I could take it off of a car. I could take it off a motorcycle. I could take it off of a quad. No problem. This I wasn't sure. YouTube. I looked it up. Now I know. So things like YouTube, manuals, friends, trial and error. When I didn't know what was wrong with this in the first place, I changed the spark plug. Trial and error. Wasn't the problem. Any of these things, they're fine. Nothing's off limits. If you're learning how to do something, YouTube is an incredible resource. I highly recommend it. You're there right now.
Tell ya, this thing probably needs a lot more TLC
than it's getting right now. I think I need a new carburetor. What it's going to get is enough TLC to get it running. But for now, as it's clean, joke. I'm Chris. This is the Missing Manual. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Give it a like, give it a share, and hey, subscribe for more like this, where I'll bring you some more semi-chaotic videos. And remember, chaos is temporary.